Hey everyone, welcome to a new year of 2021 on our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the fluffy fishtail braid. So let's get started.
I went ahead and put a little gel and wet her hair down just a little bit just for better grip. The next step, I'm going to split this into 2 equal parts. Okay? So you're going to start the fishtail at the end, right here at the hairline. Instead of up here, we're going to start down here. So we're going to take a small section from the back of the right and then bring it over and add it to the left. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take a small section from the left bottom and bring it over to the right. You're not going to go ahead and tighten it up like way up here. You're going to just take it and leave it loose. We're going to have it set right at the end of the neck area. Okay, so we're going to continue by getting a small section from the back and bring it over to the left. And same thing, the bottom left section over to the right. We're going to continue doing this a couple more times. Take the bottom right, bring it over to the left. Bring the bottom left section and bring it over to the right. And do it one more time. Take a small section from the right over to the left and a small section from the left over to the right. Notice how the fishtail is now starting right here at the bottom part. So we're going to go ahead and just tug and pull a little bit right here on each side. And then again right here. Just going to tug and pull right here. And then we're going to go ahead and continue to do this, going all the way down. Now you're going to notice that this is going to go flat. It's okay, because once you're done with all of it, you're going to go ahead and go back and fluff it back up again. You're not going to tighten this braid either. You're just going to go ahead and let it just sit loosely on each other. I'm going to go ahead and continue to do this and go a little faster for time purposes only. I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to go back up here and then just tug and pull and fluff this out. And I'm going to continue to do this until I get all the way down to the bottom. As I'm braiding the fishtail, I'm going to go ahead and fluff up here just to get that extra fluff right here. Go ahead and continue down. Straight this off an elastic band. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm just going to fluff out just this part right here. So I'm just going to tug and pull and create that fluff right here to the way I like it. Once I'm done, I'll just put some hairspray and we'll be done. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and following our videos and parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys, till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, God bless, Happy New Year!